In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Adobe Sign. This is going to be a straightforward guide, perfect for those who are new to Adobe's digital signature solution or anyone who needs a quick refresher. So, let's dive right in. First, what you'll need is a web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Any of these will work just fine. Open your preferred browser on your device. This could be a desktop, laptop, or even a mobile device if you prefer working on the go. Once your browser is ready, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll need to type the official Adobe Sign login URL, which is https://secure.adobesign.com, public login. Be sure to enter the URL correctly to avoid any unnecessary redirects or errors. Once you've typed in the address, hit Enter on your keyboard and you're on your way. This action will swiftly guide you to the Adobe Sign login page. Here, you'll see fields to enter your Adobe ID and password. Now, your Adobe ID is typically your email address, the one you initially used when setting up your Adobe account. So, go ahead and enter your email address in the Adobe ID field. Next, enter the password associated with your Adobe account. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure your caps lock key is off and your password is entered correctly. If you're accessing from a personal or secure device, you might want to check the Stay Signed In option. This choice means you won't have to log in each time you visit, saving you a bit of time in the future. Once you're confident with your details, click that Sign In button. Upon successful login, you will land on your Adobe Sign dashboard. Congratulations, you've made it into your Adobe Sign account. On this dashboard, you have access to a range of features. You can manage your agreements and templates, track signatures, and tweak your account settings as needed. But before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Bookmark this page once you're logged in, so next time you want to access Adobe Sign, you can do so with just a single click. It's always a helpful trick to have this kind of frequently visited page bookmarked, especially for tools you might be using often. So, there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've accessed Adobe Sign, and now you're ready to efficiently manage all of your digital document needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy signing!